One morning, Sir Topham Hatt was speaking to James about some goods work for him to pull. James hated goods work. Listen, James, said the fat controller. I need you to pull all these goods to the mainland, and I hope I can count on you. Suddenly, trucks appeared on the adjacent siding where James was. All of them were laughing, and laughing. They all laughed and giggled. Hey, James, you think you can pull all of this? Asked Thomas. James was only more furious and said nothing. Thomas went ahead and shunned the trucks towards James. All right, truck, no dilly-dallying. Let's get to the mainland. The trucks were thinking and thinking. And the thinking became laughter. They really thought James could pull all of them to the mainland, but they had a plan to direct it off course. All the trucks had bumped James past the points. The six signalmen couldn't switch them anymore, and James was heading towards the grass. Help! Cried James. Oh dear, my splendid red paint! Cried James. The trucks only laughed and enjoyed the sightings of James, the splendid red engine, complaining about his paintwork. Thomas overheard all this and rushed as soon as he could. James! Shouted Thomas. Are you all right? No, Thomas, I'm not all right, said James sadly. Thomas went ahead onto adjacent siding and was sent to work and pull all the trucks back onto the rails. He managed to get the flatbed and all the pillars back onto the rails, but then became the harder part was James's tender. Then it became the harder part, getting James on the tracks. James slid back onto the rails. Thanks for helping me, said James. Don't worry, said Thomas. I knew those trucks couldn't be handled. Thomas went ahead to leave James alone, and his crew would get James built. The next morning, Thomas came. Hey James, those trucks bothering you anymore? No, they are not bothering me anymore,